So for those of you who have not heard about the Horizon Results platform, um, it's a very simple concept and a very simple tool. It was put there in order to help you, researchers, innovators, professors, academicians, whoever is participating in the EU R&I framework programs to promote and to move forward with your results. We provide not only the visibility required to your results, but we also offer a list of services and we work behind the scenes to promote your results vis-a-vis those services. So the platform started in 2019, and ever since then, it has grown to quite a few thousand, a couple of thousand results, 2,300 as of today. And throughout this journey, we have been able to collaborate with several different platforms around the Commission, several different actors that can help your results move forward. And at the same time, we have been able to onboard other programs beyond Horizon FP7 and Horizon Europe. We have recently been able to onboard the European Maritime and Fisheries Fund program, as well as the Research for Coal and Steel. And we hope that very soon we will be able to welcome the EIT Knowledge Innovation Communities projects. It's a very easy tool for you. All you have to do is log into the Funding and Tenders portal like you normally do to manage your projects. And so long as you have the participant contact role or the coordinator contact role, with a few clicks, you can upload your result and you can come back and update it whenever you like. It's a live platform. And it's really a tool meant for you to promote your results. This is our purpose here. It's not an obligation under Horizon 2020. However, it is more demanded under Horizon Europe in a sense that it will help you fulfill your dissemination and exploitation obligations. So, but the message we want to send is that really what we do here and what the team does, and this is one of the reasons why I would like to have this meeting, is for you to be introduced to the team and what we do, is really we're there to help you, and it's a free service. So without further ado, I would like to pass it to my colleague Daniel Esteves, who will show you very quickly how easy it is to create a result on the platform. So over to you, Daniel. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Yorgos. Good morning, everyone. So yes, I'm Daniel Ferreira. I offer technical support to the team as well as our users. So I will show you very quickly how easy it is to upload your results onto HRP. I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with the Funding and Tender portal. So I'm already logged in, as you can see, it's my profile. I have a special profile, which means I have access to all the projects that have uploaded results onto our platform. So as a user, you would go onto my projects. Here you would see a list of all your projects where you have a role. And if indeed you have a role that allows you to post a result onto HRP, when you click here, you will see this project results. So we'll click here. Here we can see that this particular project has published two results, one that they have deleted. But if we want to add a new result, we just go here, add. You get a disclaimer, basically explaining what a key exploitable result is. You click OK. And here we are. So this is the form. Different sections you have to fill in order to progress. So there's a section about us, which means basically a description of who you are, what your result description is. Then we move on to what the maturity of the result is. So TRL. And then in the investor corner, you can specify whether or not you're looking for an investment And when you reach the end, you basically get an overview of the results before you actually hit publish, and it gets uploaded to the Horizon results platform. So this is basically, it's very simple, very straightforward. There's explanations for all the fields here. So in case you're in doubt, you can look at them. And just in case you have any issues with the roles, you can come here into the guidance and manuals and look up the IT how-to. So for example, if you have an issue with roles and access rights, come here, how to assign or revoke roles. And here you have a very simple, straightforward explanation on how to grant or revoke roles. So let's see how it looks then on HRP. So this is the landing page. And if you want to start searching for any specific results, you go on to search all. And here you have a list of very useful filters that you can define. Let's say you want to look for projects who are looking for collaboration or who are just sharing their knowledge, who are looking for specific loans. Then you just click and automatically you get search result updated. So here we have 50 project results who are looking for loans, for example. So very simple, very straightforward. And that's actually it from my side. I'll hand it over to Emil, who is helping us building a better platform. Emil?
Hello. Good morning from my side as well. My name is Emil Bethe, and yeah, my background is in entrepreneurial finance and innovation management, so I come from the private sector, and I just recently joined as a trainee. And I help to actually look at the platform from an investor's perspective to see how we can really engage with this stakeholder group best. And I'm right now responsible for the relaunch of the HRP landing page and to make it hopefully more user-friendly and improve UX UI. And also the logic of the platform. So yes, that's also from my side. I'd like to hand over to Michelle, who will explain you a little bit more about our partnerships and the networks we established.
Thank you, Emil. Hello, everyone. So my focus is on our interactions and strategic activities with investors and researchers and startups. As you know, the results on the platform can be of three main focuses, either targeting influencing policy, finding other research partners, or going to market. And the team that you're meeting today is really aiming to help in any way possible, accelerating your dissemination and exploitation strategy and actions. And how do we do that? We connect you with external and internal R&I partners, networks, and existing commission services free of charge that will help you in all of the needs that you've expressed already once you're on the platform. And let's take an example. For those that are interested in going to market, we work with two business angel networks. So one is EBAN, the European Business Angel Network, and you have the links to the various entities that I'm mentioning here. And let me start with BAE. I'll go in the order that the one that is here. We had already in March a matchmaking event where various research results owners were able to pitch to investors. And BAE is a representative for European Business Angel Federations with over 250 structured angel networks in their side. And then we also have EBAN, which is the European Business Angel Network. Again, a pitch event took place, and you can go and have a look at the pitches themselves when you click on video there. And EBAN was started in 1999 as over 100 member organizations in over 50 countries. Other go-to-market partners that we have would include the Solar Impulse Foundation. And on the 6th of December, we're having a pitching event with them. and they're very focused on clean tech. So I do invite you to go onto their website and have a look. Very interesting start by Bertrand Picard, who did the round the world flight on solar. And you will find other European funded research grantees on there as well. And we also, of course, work a lot with the HRB, the booster, which you've all already taken advantage of and using the services that they have. So in the future, we will also be doing some policy events with our partners and colleagues in the larger R&I family. And that's really basically all that I have for you, but I would say there's a lot happening, a lot of matchmaking opportunities and services, especially to advance you. So I will now pass it on to my colleague, and I believe it is the turn of Thomas, no? Let me just go down because I'm unmuting as we go along here to the T's. There you are. Let me go ahead.
All right. Good morning. Thank you, Michelle. So my name is Thomas Nousiainen, and I'm working in the team, for instance, with the strategic partnerships that we are building. Just to continue what Michelle was elaborating on the various opportunities that we are doing. So in addition to the Horizon Results Booster, we're also building a network or an ecosystem of different types of partners with various expertise linking to innovation and valorization needs that the results owners have. And together with these partners, what we try to do is to facilitate the matchmaking between the Horizon Results platform users with their different needs and these ecosystem partners that then can then fulfill these needs. And as a way of example, we are cooperating with the European Technology Transfer Networks, for instance, the TTO Circle and ASTP, in terms of technology transfer from universities and research and technology organizations to markets or to partners. We have also established a partnership with the European Union Intellectual Property Office, as well as the Intellectual Property Help Desk on questions relating to IP and IP management. And for instance, we will have a training coming up early next year regarding IP management and commercialization as well. Another example would be a partnership that we've established with the European Enterprise Network that provides various expertise ranging from business planning to commercial partnership and opportunities, matching to funding expertise and so forth. And of course, they offer a lot of thematic and regional events. And what we will be doing with their European Enterprise Network is providing matchmaking services not only thematically, but also in the future regionally, so as to link the result owners with their local advisors for help. We are also in the process of developing additional customized matchmaking events and services to cater for specific needs that the results owners might have when valorizing their results. And these services are continuously and gradually rolled out. Here on the slide, you can also see on the right-hand side what we call a success story. So last year, Euronews Business Planet made a story about the Horizon Results platform, focusing particularly on the Horizon Results platform user called RedSync. That is a company that is in the process of commercializing a telemedicine technology solution. And this story by the Euronews provides a very nice overview what the HRP offers not only to result owners, but also to investors or anyone that is looking for opportunities when it comes to research and innovation solutions. So I do encourage you to have a look at the story, and hopefully it'll give some insights. That's it for me. So I'll pass the torch on. I think, Michelle, you will need to
Yes, Alina.
unmute Alina. Thank you.
Alina?
Is it better?
No, yes.
Okay, sorry, I'm not used to the headphones. So, in case it was not very clear, thank you, colleagues. Thank you, Thomas. Good morning, everyone. I am Alina Nicolai, and I work together with my colleagues on the Horizon Results Platform and Horizon Results Platform TV. The Horizon Results Platform TV, it's an e-learning tool, which brings engaging and audiovisual approach to your dissemination and exploitation strategy. In general, it offers guidance. It connects you with key experts who help you address your needs and target audiences. And what I mean by connects, it means that every time we display a video with an expert, we are trying to also share its contact details for you to reach out to for more tailored advice and anything that's tailored to your needs. Therefore, the added value for the platform comes from the expertise shared by our partners and collaborators and from the testimonials of the program participants. And to make it easy for you, we try to make it the best fit in such a way that we split the experts and the program participants in two channels. In the expert channel, is showcasing various topics from the project lifecycle. For instance, like my colleagues mentioned, how to approach business angels, the IP management, and promoting various services such as the Horizon Results Booster. On the other hand, we have in the Inspire channel, we focus more on testimonials of the program participants. And this is more to encourage the entrepreneurial path. And as Thomas mentioned, we did have a very good collaboration with the Euronews Business Planet, in which the medtech solution featured on HRP was brought closer to the readers. And what was also very interesting is that they also featured one of our partners, a venture capital fund manager. So now, where are we now? We are in discussions with various program participants. For instance, with women entrepreneurs, we would like also to capture their stories and mostly to showcase their successful path to entrepreneurship and to showcase our fruitful partnership for investor events or other very thematic events. What we encourage you to have a look over the Horizon Results Platform TV, keep an eye on future collaborations because they are very interesting and really genuinely brought to you. And also, for instance, once you come on the Horizon Results Platform, drop us an email, reach us out, tell us your story, and you might be that we look together and we collaborate for a video and show to other entrepreneurs and other researchers the pitfalls and how to go forward. I think that was it from my side.
Thank you very much, Alina.
Thank you.
So you have heard it from the team about all the services that we try to provide. And while my team have been presenting, I have been answering a few questions on the chat. Even though today there is not enough time to answer everything, I would just like to answer a few specific questions that I have seen. So we do organize, the question was whether we organize thematic e-pitches, and the answer is yes, mostly, and this depends on the needs of our partner. So for example, in the past, we have co-organized a thematic e-pitching event around the blue economy together with the Blue Invest platform and the collaboration with DG Mare. We have also organized a more high-tech solution event with Dealflow. Earlier, we have organized a COVID-specific thematic pitch, and recently we are now focusing on the EU missions, which is another thing I wanted to touch upon because there were a couple of questions in the chat. So for those of you who have not heard, the Commission is now promoting as a policy priority the so-called EU missions. And those EU missions deal with battling cancer, adapting to climate change, our oceans, protecting our oceans and seas, soils, and what was the fifth one anyway? So those 5 EU missions that are now very prominent on our website as well. And sorry, it's the cities, net zero cities. So all these 5 missions have a specific policy and implementation plans. And in our unit, within the services where the Horizon Results platform is actually developed, we also manage the portfolios for existing projects coming out of Horizon 2020 or even FP7 in certain cases, as well as Horizon Europe. We create project portfolios, and then we start creating results portfolios. So if you visit the Horizon Results platform today, you will see on the landing page that we try to follow on results that contribute directly to missions. And this allows us to build a bridge directly with those newly set up platforms that are exclusively following the objectives of those missions. Now, there was a question about Marie Sklodowska-Curie. So, Diego, if possible, could you please email us because that we have to go through a detailed explanation. Now, quickly, the question, is it just commercially exploitable result? The answer is no, definitely not, because there is also the policy relevance of results, and we are teaming up with colleagues following up on the feedback to policy function in the Commission, and we try to establish methodologies on how to support that domain as well. Best moment for HRP exploitable results to be uploaded, I believe, is when you have something that is exploitable. The platform is open from the moment you sign a grant. Of course, depending on the nature of your project, if there is a lot of lab research going on, obviously you don't have yet any results to show. However, if you received a fund, a transition fund from the EIC, for example, then you may well be able to upload your result on the Horizon Results platform, especially if you're looking for investors at the early stage. So it depends really on when the key exploitable result is ready. You can upload results even at the end of the after the end of the project, and you can actually follow up and update them however long you like. And what I would like to encourage you is to spend this half an hour that you need, maximum half an hour, 1 hour, depending on how much you want to spend on uploading the result. As Danielle showed you, it's quite easy. It's most of the fields and the questions we ask are drop-down lists that you have to choose from. And we can work in the background to help you in whatever needs you express there. And your profiles will stay live, and we will be following your progress. That's very important as well. I would really like that you update these results whenever you have some significant changes, when you have news, when you transition from one technology readiness level to the next, etc. So thank you very much for that. And we will try to answer your questions. Please send us an email. We put our contact details, and we will also come back to you with another newsletter. We will send you the slides that we presented today, and hopefully we will have the video of today's session as well. So with that, I'd like to thank you all. And as I said, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Maybe Michelle, if you can put one more time before closing the chat, if you can put our email address, please. And then we can close today's session. And thank you very much one more time, and enjoy your weekend. And we hope look forward to seeing your results coming in the platform. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.